Chapter 1, Heredity and Evolution, Short Notes and Summary from Class 10th, Subject Science, Part 2, Book Bal Bharti. Introduction. This chapter explores heredity, the science of genetic inheritance, and evolution, the gradual development of life forms. It connects genetics with biological changes and discusses the evidence and theories explaining how species, including humans, have evolved over millions of years. Heredity and hereditary changes. Heredity is the transmission of biological traits from parents to offspring through genes. Gregor Mendel is the father of modern genetics. In 1901, Hugo de Vries introduced the mutation theory explaining sudden genetic changes. Walton Sutton, 1902, linked chromosomes with heredity. In 1944, Avery, McCarthy, and MacLeod proved DNA is the genetic material except in viruses. Uses of heredity: diagnosing hereditary diseases, creating hybrids in agriculture, industrial use of microbes. Transcription, translation, and translocation. Transcription: DNA to mRNA. Only one DNA strand is used. RNA uses uracil U instead of thymine T, synthesized by RNA polymerase. Next, translation. mRNA moves to cytoplasm carrying genetic code. Code for amino acids, triplet codon, example AUG. tRNA matches codon with anticodon to bring specific amino acids. rRNA joins amino acids with peptide bonds. Translocation: ribosomes move across mRNA to synthesize proteins. Proteins control cell structure and function. Next, mutation: sudden change in genes, example change in nucleotide order, can lead to disorders like sickle cell anemia. Next, evolution. Evolution is equals to gradual change in living organisms over generations. It involves the development of new species due to natural selection and mutation. Life started approximately 3.5 billion years ago from simple compounds. Modern species evolved from simpler ancestral forms. Evidences of evolution. First, morphological evidences. Similar body structures, example leaf shapes in plants, hair in mammals, indicate common ancestry. Second, anatomical evidences. Bone structures in human hands, bat wings, whale flippers, etc. are structurally similar, homologous, implying evolution from a common ancestor. Third, vestigial organ. Useless organs in some organisms that are functional in others. Example: appendix, tailbone, coccyx, wisdom teeth, ear muscles in humans. Fourth, paleontological evidences, fossils. Fossils, preserved remains, imprints of ancient organisms. Carbon dating helps estimate fossil age. Fossils show gradual complexity over time. Fifth, connecting links. Some organisms share features of two different groups. Peripatus between annelids and arthropods. Duck-billed platypus lays eggs like reptiles, has mammary glands like mammals. Lungfish breathes via lungs, though it's a fish. Sixth, embryological evidences. Embryos of different vertebrates show similar initial stages, indicating common origin. Darwin's theory of natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin in Origin of Species. Key points: first, overproduction of offspring; second, struggle for existence; third, survival of the fittest; fourth, natural selection leads to new species. Limitations: doesn't explain sudden changes, mutations; didn't distinguish between useful and non-useful traits. Introduction to Scientist. Charles Robert Darwin, 1809 to 1882, English biologist, proposed natural selection, proved all life evolved from a common ancestor. Lamarckism, proposed by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, 1744 to 1829, theory of use and disuse, Used organs become stronger, disused organs shrink. These changes are inherited. Example, giraffe's long neck, rejected as acquired traits, are not genetically inherited. Speciation. New species form due to genetic variation, geographical isolation, and reproductive isolation. Species group that can reproduce fertile offspring naturally. Human evolution originated from lemur-like ancestors approximately 7 crore years ago. Key stages: first, Ramapithecus 1 crore years ago; second, Australopithecus; third, skilled humans 20 lakh years ago; fourth, Neanderthal man 1.5 lakh years ago; fifth, Cro-Magnon man 50,000 years ago; sixth, modern Homo sapiens. Cultural milestones: fire discovery approximately 1 lakh years ago; agriculture approximately 10,000 years ago; writing approximately 5,000 years ago; industrial society approximately 200 years ago. So friends, we have completed short notes from chapter 1, Heredity and Evolution. We will do question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.